Going to see Standard 6th Civics Unit 1 Understanding Diversity Book Back Question and Answer. First, choose the correct answer. First question, India consists of dash states and dash union territories. 29 states and 7 union territories. Second, India is known as a subcontinent. Third one, Moisendrom, the land of highest rainfall is located in Meghalaya. Fourth one, which one of the following religion is not practiced in India? Confucianism. Fifth one, recognized official languages of India as per 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. 22. Sixth one, Onam festival celebrated in Kerala. Seventh one, Mohiniyattam is a classical dance of Kerala. Eighth one, Discovery of India, a book was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Ninth one, the phrase unity in diversity was coined by Jawaharlal Nehru. 10th one, V.A. Smith called India as dash ethnological museum. Next, fill in the blanks. First question, geographical features and climatic conditions determine the dash activities of a region. Economic. Second, Jaisalmer, the land of lowest rainfall, is located in dash, Rajasthan. Third one, Tamil was declared as classical language in the year dash 2004. Fourth one, Pigu festival is celebrated in dash, Assam. Match the following. First one, Negroids, Indian race. Second one, coastal areas, fishery. Third one, Zoroastrianism, religion. Fourth one, unity in diversity, India. Next, answer the following questions. Question 1, define diversity. Answer, we, the Indians, come from different backgrounds, belong to different cultures, worship in different ways. This is known as diversity. Question 2. What are the types of diversity? Answer, the types of diversity are landforms and lifestyle diversity, social diversity, religious diversity, linguistic diversity, and cultural diversity. Question 3. Why is India called a subcontinent? Answer, a continent is a very large area of land with various physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, and seas, and various types of weather patterns. India has all of them, so India is known as a subcontinent. Question 4. Write the names of 3 major festivals celebrated in India. Answer, Deepavali, Christmas, and Ramjan. Question 5. List out some of the classical dances of India. Answer, Tamil Nadu, Bharatanatyam, Kerala, Kathakali, Karnataka, Eksaganam, Odisha, Odissi. Question 6. Why is India called the land of unity in diversity? Answer, though diversity is visible in every aspect of life in India, we are united by the spirit of patriotism. Answer the following in detail. Question 1. Explain linguistic diversity and cultural diversity. Answer linguistic diversity. According to Census of India 2001, India has 122 major languages and 1599 other languages. Four major Indian language families are Indo-Aryan, Dravidian, Austroasiatic and Sino-Tibetan. Tamil is the oldest Dravidian language. Historically, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the British, the Danish and the French came to India for trade, and the occupation of India or some parts of it has left behind a certain impact upon the culture and language of the people. In due course, India has emerged as an important language and a medium of instruction in schools and colleges. It is widely used in official communication and daily life. Question 2. India is a land of diversity, yet we are all united. Discuss. Answer. Though diversity is visible in every aspect of life in India, we are united by the spirit of patriotism. Symbols like the national flag and national anthem remind us of our great nation and the need to stay united. Celebration of events like Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti brings us together and keeps the spirit of one nation alive with us. India has a multicultural society. India evolved as a single nation through common beliefs, customs, and cultural practices. The freedom struggle and the drafting of our constitution stands as ample evidence to the spirit of unity of India. Thank you.